Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video, I'll show you how to use Steem now to check your power and other users or exchange upload. As you can see here, I am now on Steem now and I want to check my voting power and other things like how much I earn, etc. As you can see here, my voting power is now 90.78% and it's full in 11 hours. And the upward I got in last 2 days, you can see here we get an upward from info for all 3 minutes later and 8 hours ago, 3 minutes ago, 12 hours ago. You can check how and when the power of people get to 100. And as well as you can see here the rewards, pending rewards, and you can also check your pending rewards of comments here and feeds and etc. And you can check the power of any user before exchange of vote as different people use in Facebook group exchange. You can see here I am now checking the voting power of this board. It's 99.86% and complete in 10 minutes. And I'll make video on Steam board, sport free upvote, and other videos you can watch other videos from the playlist and join the group Steam Booster. This is our group, and we follow computer rules in this group as you can see here, and you can got other videos from here as well, from buy votes from Sport, sell votes on smart stream, etc. If you have any suggestion or query, feel free to comment below and subscribe the channel. Good luck guys.